Good morning, you guys. So I am on my way to work, but I had a couple doctor's appointments before I go in. And the second one is a chiropractor appointment, and I was trying to kind of keep track of my journey with chiropractic adjustments during my pregnancy. I did one for my first trimester adjustment, and I missed the second trimester adjustment because, well, life. Like, I never had the time to record and edit and whatever. So I just jumped right to the third trimester, which I am officially in. Can you guys believe it? Like, I feel like this was the fastest, slowest journey ever. Like, we're really in the home stretch. It's like baby boy's about to be here. It's so crazy. But um, you guys know that I really like my chiropractor. I think he's great. So let's go see my third trimester adjustment. So I'll do this side first.
What's that?
I'll do this side first.
You headed into work today?
Yeah, I had a doctor's appointment this morning.
Okay.
And you are 7 minutes from the doctor.
Right there. Yeah. One more. Good on the back. Beside this one. Your hair getting caught?
No, just
Okay.
making sure that it's not.
Just leave that for me. Good. How's Dwaine doing?
He's good. He just left from with me and
Wow. Good. One more.
went to the dentist.
Gotcha. Right there, Kayla. A little bit of tension there. Cross both arms in front. Right there. And then move forward just a bit. Come back. Drop those shoulders back. Good. One more. There it is. Big breath. No. Okay, we're starting to get it unlocked. You had a lot of tension in there. So if it ain't moving, what's it doing? It's going on that locked up path that we gotta get unlocked. So there's a group of nerves that comes right off this warm heart plexus right into that uterus, right? And so if we keep that pelvis balanced out, it gives that good tension when you go through labor, pull straight down instead of at an angle. And that's what we got going on, okay? And that's why people under regular chiropractic care have a 40% less likely chance of having any C-sections. So let's get it back on track, my dear. There it is. Chin up for me. Good. Good. Chin up. Deep breath in and out. More life flowing through you now. Perfect. Now bring both hands above your head. Just like this, and bring them together. Good. And again. Okay, relax it down. Now I'm going to come in on the psoas muscle, okay? That attaches to your lumbar spine and to your pelvis. A lot tighter on this left side, so we're going to release that, okay? And take a deep breath in and breathe out. Big breath in and out. That's more balance. Come back on this side, facing this way. Still a bit hanging up there. Good. This side out for me. Good. Right there it is. Just traction right there. Got it back. How's your sleep been? Up and down, yeah.
Whoa. Okay. So I've been coming to Dr. Dillon for like 2 years now, and today was the first time that like I actually felt a little pain. Like, it has been a little while since I came to get an adjustment, but yeah, definitely needed. He wants me to come back in a couple days just because my hips or pelvics or whatever is jacked up is still kind of locked. So I don't know, maybe I'll record coming back just to see how it feels and whether or not that adjustment is going to be as tender as this one. So we'll see.